Hello, welcome to the last day of your math review. So let's get started. Our first direction says, write the expression from the box that has the same value. So here's what we do. There's these expressions in the box, and then there's these ones listed here. We're kind of matching one from here with one from the box that equals the same thing. So a suggestion I have for you is to write down on a piece of paper all of these, the ones that are in the box, and solve all of them first and write it on your paper. That way you don't have to solve them more than once. So I'm going to get started with mine. I'm going to look at this first one here. 3 times 2 times 4. So order of operations, I don't have any parentheses. I have two different times. So let's just start over here and work our way across. 3 times 2 would be 6. Now I take 6 times 4, and that's 24. So my job is to look up here for something that also equals 24. This is why I'm saying write all of these down, solve them once, then you'll be able to just quickly look at your list, see which one equaled 24, and type that one into the box. I know that 6 times 4 is 24, so it's going to be this one right here. So into this box here, I'm going to type the expression from the box up top, 6 times 4. Don't put 24. Don't put the answer. Just put the one that matches. Next, let's see. Order of operations, no parentheses. Next, I need to look for multiplication and division. I have a multiplication here, so I need to do this first. 2 times 3 is 6. And then I'm going to take 6 and add 6 more, and that would make 12. So I'm going to look here. You're going to look at your paper, which one equaled 12. That would be this one here, 6 plus 6. Copy it into the box. Next is 8 times 8. I could use my 8 skip counts to solve that. 8 times 8 is 64. So let's look up here at which one equals 64. You should have these all solved on your paper. It's going to end up being this one right here for me. 8 times, so order of operations here, no parentheses. So I need to do all my times first. 8 times 3 is 24, and 8 times 5 is 40. So I have 24 plus 40, which makes 64. So I need to type that whole thing into my box here. 8 times 3 plus 8 times 5. Next, 9 divided by 3 plus 5. Order of operations, no parentheses here. So I'm going to look for multiplication and division. I need to do this division first. 9 divided by 3 is 3, plus 5 more. 3 plus 5 more would be 8. So look at your paper, which one equaled 8? That would be this one here, 3 plus 5. So I'm going to type that in here, 3 plus 5. Next one, order of operations, no parentheses. So let's look for times or divide. I have 2 times signs. Let's just start over here. 5 times 2, that's 10. Now I take 10 and times it by 3. That makes 30. Let me look at my paper. Which one of these equaled 30? It was 6 times 5, so I type that in. And my last one, 4 times 30. Oh, cover up that 0. 4 times 3 is 12. Put the 0 back on. That makes it 120. Which one on my paper equaled 120? That would be this 12 times 10. So you're going to match the expressions up here with the expressions down here. They equal the same thing. You're going to do that on slide 2. Next, the directions say read the problem. Write the first step, question and answer. Then write an equation to solve the problem. That means this is going to be a 2-step problem. I need to figure out what the first step is and write the question and answer it, and then I can figure out the second step. So here we go. Peter is packing toys into 4 boxes to donate. He puts 2 toy trucks, 4 stuffed animals, and 1 bouncy ball into each box. How many toys is Peter donating? So I'm noticing these numbers go together. All these things he's putting into the box. 2 toy trucks, 4 stuffed animals, and 1 bouncy ball. I need to figure out how many toys that is. How many toys are going into each box first? Then I can multiply that by 4 boxes to get the total. So let's see. What's my first step question? I need to take the 2 toy trucks plus the 4 stuffed animals plus the bouncy ball. And when I do that, what question am I answering? I'm answering how many toys are going into each box. So I need to type that out. That's what we call our first step question. How many toys are in each box? Question mark. Now I need to solve that. I'm going to enter. I'm going to push the enter button on my keyboard to scooch it down. And let's solve it. 2 toy trucks plus 4 stuffed animals plus 1 bouncy ball equals 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 more is 7. 7 toys. Now I need to solve the rest of the step 2. So I'm going to come down. I'm going to enter again. 7 toys in each box. And I know he donated 4 boxes. So that's 4 groups of 7. So we need to times them together. 7 from my first step times 4, this 4 here that I didn't use yet. And I know 7 times 4 makes 28. And that answer can go down here with the label 28 toys. Okay, so for this one, you have to write the question that you have to answer first, solve that step 1, and then solve that step 2. All right, your last job for today. Here, your job is to just flip this times problem into a division problem. Let me show you. It says complete the statement. You know that 5 times 3 equals 15. So you also know that we need to flip this into a division. So let's see. In division, I have to start with the total first. Which number here is my total? That would be the 15. So I'm going to type 15 divided by, remember I use a slash since I don't have a divide sign on my keyboard. Then you can choose either of these factors. That doesn't actually really matter. I'm going to do 15 divided by 5. Then it's going to equal the other factor of 3. You could have also written 15 divided by 3 would equal 5. So this last one should be real quick. You're just going to take this times problem and turn it into a division problem. All right, that's it for today. And let me know what you need help with. Bye-bye.